Darling, you send me, I know you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife, it's nice to meet you. So today we have a super exciting video. I have a really big BOOHOO haul. I spent way too much money. I should have been saving it, I know, but it was my birthday so I decided to treat myself. I also went into Primark. I just have a few things from there and I'm just gonna stick them in at the end of the video, so I'm not even sure if I'm gonna put Primark in the title. It's just mostly BOOHOO, but still. So before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that I just hit 400 subscribers and that for my 500 subscribers I'm going to be doing a personal kind of Q&A kind of thing. So if you want to ask any questions whatsoever, just leave them down below this video or below any video and I'll be collecting them all, getting them ready for my 500 subscribers. So thank you all so much for subscribing and getting me to 400. I am still so shocked and I'm so excited to reach the next milestone. So we're just gonna hop right into this video and I'm just gonna be pulling out things. So this is a very excited haul because if you can see by the thumbnail, I actually bought my first pair of BOOHOO shoes. I've never bought shoes off BOOHOO. I was curious about the sizing and stuff, but I saw these really cute shoes and I just had to buy them. But we're gonna do the clothes part first. So I got the clothes in here. I took all the clothes out of their packaging, like the single packaging, just so it would be like easier to show. So the first thing I got, my favorite thing that I got, is this denim skirt. So this is, it's not fitted, it's like loose and stuff. It's fitted at the waist and then as it goes down it gets a little, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but it flows out a bit. I think I tried on this skirt. I think this is the cutest skirt ever. I think the style is so cute. I love how there has the little seams going down the front and the buttons going down. I feel like this is all in fashion at the minute. I got this in the size 10 if you were wondering. And these are the violet western style button through denim skirt. So I will put the prices on the screen up in the corner. But I think this is just so cute and it's so comfortable. I did an ASOS shop. I did an ASOS shop a few months ago and I added a skirt like this to my cart, but it had like a red stripe going down, and it went out of stock and they didn't send it to me. They just sent my order without the skirt and then refunded me. But I'm really happy I found this skirt because it's kind of like, it's the same style but it's plain and it's really nice coming. It's a really nice colour denim, so I'm really happy with that I got this one instead. It's such good quality and it's really nice and it fits perfectly because I tried it on before the video because I was too excited. So this is the skirt. I'm not sure if you can see it properly, but it is a super really nice length and it's very flattering. As you can see, like your waist is kind of like, it comes just over my belly button. I got it in the size 10 and it is like roomy enough in here, but I think that it's just the cutest little skirt ever. I really love this. I'm so happy I got this and I love the detailing on it. And even with like a casual top, tucked into it, it just looks so nice. And you could dress it up or you could dress it down. Like I could wear Converse with this and it would be so cute. Or I could wear high heels and a dressy top and it would also be really cute. So this one definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me as well. The next item of clothing is it's just a khaki t-shirt with a knot in the front. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's kind of cropped. I tried this on as well. You'll see it in the try on haul. It's kind of cropped, but it's still not like completely cropped. If you wore it with like high-waisted pants or something, it'd be fine. This is the Yasmin tie front t-shirt in the size 10 in the color khaki. So the material is really light and it's kind of like this one. It's really light and airy kind of, and yeah, it's really comfortable and stuff. It is super nice. I love the knot at the front. I feel like that is also in style at the minute. It's very nice. Even if I wore that top with that skirt and like tucked the top inside the skirt, I feel like it would look cute. So this is the khaki top. I think it's so cute. I think that is very flattering and flowy, which I really like. I also think the arms go to a nice length They're kind of a little bit longer than your average top, and I feel like the knot is also so cute. It's also a nice size as well when it's knotted, because some t-shirts, they kind of rise up a bit higher when you knot them, but this one is like perfect. So I'm very, very happy with this for just a casual day-to-day top. So this one definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me. So the next thing I have is a play suit. So this is in the size 10, and this is the Nina Cold shoulder dark floral jumpsuit, and it's supposed to be in the color khaki. The color khaki is where the flowers come in. I don't know. So it has a tie around the waist if you want to tighten the waist, and it is like a cold shoulder. There's straps, and then your arm goes in here. You'll see it better on the try on. It's also a V neck, and then it has a V back, and it goes down to just above, kind of like mid calf, and it's just a pretty jumpsuit. I've never bought a jumpsuit before. It's super hard to show you what it's like, but it is so pretty, and I wouldn't be really comfortable wearing jumpsuits. I feel like they're just not my style, but with the shoes I got and with that jumpsuit, it just looks really, really nice. So I'm so happy with that, and I feel like it's not like, I really wanted one of those stripy jumpsuits, but I feel like this is like a jumpsuit, but it's not as in your face, so it suits me for my first jumpsuit, if you get my drift. Okay, so this is the play suit. You can see here it's a cold shoulder, and it has the v-neck. It also has the v-neck at the back as well. I really, really love this pattern. I think it's really, really cute. I'll show you the length of it now. So the length of it is also, excuse my socks, but the length of it is also really cute, and it just shows your figure very, very nicely. So I'm super happy with this. It's also a very nice material. It's very like sheer, and like it just feels nice on my skin, so I'm really happy with that. So the next thing I got is a denim jacket, and I have wanted a denim jacket for so long, like one that actually keeps you warm, that is heavy, that is like casual, so it's not for like a night out or something. And I've seen this really, really cute one. All the ones I've seen online have been cropped, and I didn't really like that style. I kind of wanted like a, I don't know, an oversized boyfriend looking one. So I found this one, and it has a collar which is khaki kind of. I feel like there's a theme here. This is the Jodie super oversized cord collar denim jacket in the shade light blue, and it is in size 10. So this is like oversized. It's not it's on the label it says super oversized, but it's just not cropped. It is oversized, but it's not like super, super oversized where it's like dragging on the ground kind of thing, you know. But I feel like this cord, you could get it in like baby pink as well, which is cute, but I think I like this one because it would match stuff better. But I really, really love the shade of this, and I love how it's like bigger and stuff. It has pockets on it, and I feel like if I rolled up the sleeve a little bit, it would be super cute to throw on with anything. I feel like it would dress up an outfit, like just even leggings and like runners, and then just to throw on this, it would make it look a bit more cooler and like a bit more like as if it has more of a style to your outfit, and that you tried to go for that, you know. Or if I wore like white Converse or something with like black skinny jeans or something, I feel like this would look really cute. So I'm super excited that I actually finally got one. It was kind of expensive, but compared to other ones it wasn't too expensive, so I'm happy with that. And I've been looking at denim jackets for a while, and I was about to buy one that was way more expensive and that had rips on it, and I just didn't want the rips. So when I found that, I was pretty happy. So this is the jacket. I'm not sure if you can see it, but like it goes to my butt. But yeah, this is the collar. I think it's super cute. Even with a top like this, I feel like it's super cute. I'm wearing leggings right now as well, so I feel like this and Converse would look so cute. So I'm very happy with this, and it's also very good material. I did roll up one arm to see what it looked like, and then I left the other one down so you could see what it looked like. But I think it's cute. I think if I was wearing this, I think I might roll up the two arms looks cute. But yeah, I'm super happy with this. Even with this little top here, the stripy top, it looks really cute. And I think it'll look really cute as well with the bold colour. So now I'm going to be jumping into the shoes. So for the shoes, I have never ever tried Boohoo shoes. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what the sizes were. I'm normally a UK 6. So that'd be like a 39. Yeah, 6 and 39, it says it here. But these are the shoes. I'm not sure if you can see. You can see it better here. They're not too high, and they have their toes out and stuff, and they have the band that goes up here. I think they're super cute. They're really good quality. They're comfortable. They fit perfectly as well. I wasn't sure if they were gonna be too high or what, but they're actually like my perfect size. They're kind of like, I don't know, they're kind of like you could wear them casually or you could wear them being all fancy and stuff. I feel like they suit perfectly with the jumpsuit, which I'm so happy about. This style of shoe and the jumpsuit really go together as well. So I'm really happy with these. I think I should be buying more shoes on Boohoo because I feel like I'm buying branded shoes, or else I'm buying like really cheap shitty penny shoes that I know I'm gonna like throw out. Primark shoes, sorry. But I feel like these are really nice, and these are kind of like my first real pair of high heels. I've always just used my sister's pairs, and I've never actually bought a pair of high heels for myself, and I feel like these were the perfect first pair, and I love them. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Even though I don't like my toes out in shoes, I still really love them. Okay, so I'm not even sure if you can see this. I think you can. But these are the shoes. They're super pretty. They're a really comfortable fit, and they're also they're a really comfortable fit. They also go perfectly with this jumpsuit, which I'm very happy about. And they are not too high, not too low. They're very classy, and they're very easy to walk in. I think they go perfect with this outfit. I'm really pleased with this. You could even wear this to a wedding if you wanted to. Like, it looks really nice. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to be jumping into the Primark little bits. So I just ran into Primark. I was going to the bank and my mum was in the car and I had to drive her home, and I literally just ran into Primark for 2 seconds. So Primark sizing is pretty weird, I think, for the top half of me. So I do get a size 12 just because it's looser, because sometimes my boobs just don't fit in things. So these are the €3 tops. So it literally just says achieve dreams, believe, achieve, dream, believe, and it has #goals. I really loved the colour of this. I have no clothes this colour, so I just thought it was really cool, and it's only €3, so you really can't go wrong. The next top is also, I got it in the size 12, and it's also €3. And this is a really cute top. It says you are the bee's knees, and it has little bees on it. And I really love the detailing of this top because it has a black collar, and I feel like it looks way more expensive than the blue one, because the blue one is just all blue, if you can see. And this one just has that bit more detail, and it has colour in the bees and stuff, so I feel like it looks more expensive. And I'm obsessed with this colour. I actually fell in love with this t-shirt. I just love it, and I can't believe it was only €3. The next top that I got was a hanging top, so this was a tiny bit more expensive. This was €6 and I got it in the size 12 as well. This is kind of a little crop top because I got it like a size bigger for my boobs. It's not as cropped, but this has like ruffle detailing along the top, which is super cute. It also has it on the arms, and it is just a pink, yellow and blue and white stripy top. It's just plain at the bottom, but I feel like this is so cute, and it's like very pastel vibes I was getting. And I feel like if you tucked this into the skirt or something, or if you had this with jeans or something, it would just look really cute and delicate, and that was the vibe that I really like. So they were all the tops that I got. Then I also went into the jeans section and I picked up some jeans. I was looking for like ripped nice jeans for ages. I took the price off these, but I'm pretty sure they were 18 Normally they're 30, but for like detailing on them they're normally 18. So these jeans have like tiny little rips and they're like the ankle grazers, and then on this side it has one bigger rip. So I really wanted ripped jeans that were not completely ripped. I just wanted little details in them. As you can see, this one here is at the knee and this is the biggest rip and it's the only rip. I thought this was a really nice colour as well. I do have denim jeans, but they're like a little shade too dark. They're like, well, they're not too dark, but they're darker than these, but these would be my favourite kind of colour right now. But I feel like I didn't want jeans that were completely ripped because I just don't feel comfortable wearing them. But these ones are like stylish, but they're also, you could get away with it kind of thing. So I'm really happy with that, and I love how it gets wider. They're like whitewashed or something, like in the middle, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I really like them, and for €18 they're super good quality. They were in this section skinny, and they weren't like super stretch skinny or something, but they are very stretchy, and I was gonna get them in a size 12 just so I could stretch more, but I'm really happy I got them in the size 10 because they fit perfectly and they are very, very stretchy. You can probably see in the try on haul that I'm happy out with them. But yeah, so these are the jeans. So as you can see, they're skinny with the cut at the knee. They also have ankle grazers down at the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that, but they're really, really nice. They're not high-waisted, so they just go to my belly button, so if you're wearing a top like this it's perfectly fine. But yeah, they're really, really cute. I really love the style of them, and I love how they don't have too much cuts, and they're very, very comfortable. I've drove in them, I have been walking around in them and stuff, and they're so comfortable. I have no complaints whatsoever. So that is all for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to leave down your questions down below if you want to be a part of my 500 subscriber question and answer video. I'm super excited, and I hope that you all leave your questions down below. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.